Hello everyone, my name is something rather, and today we're going to be, my name is Dan, let's go with that instead of Electrolab, I keep saying Electrolab, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get mods really easily, so we're just going to go to these three links first, so all the mods you're going to get, I'd normally get them off Modrinth because it's fairly trusted. Don't try and get the mods unless they've got a lot of downloads normally, because that usually means they're pretty safe. Not always, but most of the time. So you're either going to need Forge or Fabric, or even maybe both, to actually make the mods work. That's the thing that makes the launcher. So we're going to go to this website for Fabric. We're going to hit this little download link under the big blue button. That's going to download Fabric Installer. And then we're going to go to Forge, and we're going to go and click this download Forge button. And then it's going to bring us to this website. We're going to click the version, which is latest. Currently it's 1.20.6, but this little sidebar, you just change it to whatever the latest version is. Then we're going to go ahead and click on the installer download button. And that is going to give us a little pop-up window. It's not showing ads on my page just because the browser I use, but it will normally show ads. Don't click anything but the skip button in the top corner. As soon as you click the red skip button, it'll give you a download prompt and we can download those files. Once you're done with that, we can just go ahead and cross these off because we don't actually need these anymore. And to get the mods, you're going to want to just go into here and look for any mods. So there's a filters bar in the right-hand column, sorry, the left-hand column here. And you can filter by what mods you're using. So if you want to use Forge, use Forge. If you want to use Fabric, use Fabric. So I can filter to Fabric because I'm using Fabric at the moment. And I can filter Minecraft version to 1.20.6. So I just click this little drop down arrow and filter to whatever version of mod I want. And this will give all the latest mods. So Fabric API, that's something that's definitely necessary for a lot of things. Sodium, let's just use Sodium as a demonstration because I don't currently have this installed. We're going to go ahead and click this little green button once we've clicked on the mod that we want. We're going to scroll down to this little left-hand column here, and we're going to click on the version we want. So here it'll say the version 1.20.6 Fabric. Now that's what we're looking for because I'm using Fabric. We're going to download that. So we've got our mod and we've got our two launchers. We can then cross the internet off, basically. We're going to have all these three files. Now, because I'm just using Fabric mods, I would use just the Fabric installer. You either have to choose Fabric or Forge. So just double-click whichever one you want to use. I'm going to click Fabric. That is going to go ahead and open up a little window here, which will prompt us with what we want to basically do. We just hit install. It should by default be set to all the right settings. Hit OK. It won't do it if your game's open. You'll give you a little success message if you close the game and redo it. I've already done it, so there's not really any point in me doing it again, but I've just run it for the purpose of example. With Forge, it's very similar. We just double click this Forge. It should be a .jar file. If it's not showing the little teacup, you have to right click and go open with and then select Java TM. If it doesn't show that, choose another app and then more apps, and then scroll down. Eventually you'll find Java, hopefully. If you do not have Java, you're going to have to get Java before doing this. For the Forge, you just hit OK and it'll run a little installer here and it'll say OK, you're done. All going well, it is. And then we can just go ahead and delete these. We don't need these anymore. I've got a little spare copy over here because I've already downloaded it. Now we've got the mod. Now we want to put the Sodium into the mods folder. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and hit Windows key and R. And then we're going to hit, in my case, it's enter, but you have to type percentage app data percentage. So in case you can't hit that, just hit Shift and 5, and that'll make a percentage sign. Then type app data, APPDATA, app data. And then go ahead and hit percentage sign again, and we'll go ahead and hit OK. This is on a Windows. I don't know how to do this on a Mac or Linux. I'm so sorry to anyone who's on those platforms. We scroll down here, double click on .minecraft. It'll either be at the very top or the very bottom based on how your file explorer is set, but look for .minecraft. It'll normally be at one of the extreme ends. And then we're going to scroll down and we're looking for a mods folder. Now currently, I've already got a mods folder and it's got some mods in it. So I just drag it straight into this. I drag this thing straight into the folder. But for those of you who do not have a mods folder, which is the case if it's your first time, go ahead and click new folder and then just call it MODS. Now I'm going to put a little 2 here just so I can distinguish it and then delete it because I've already got one. But you would just name it mods, MODS. Now we open this folder up, we drag the Sodium mod in, we close, and we're done. So next time when we go ahead and open the launcher, I'm just going to quickly log out of my Minecraft here and I'm just going to cross the Minecraft off, I think, and then we'll load the launcher again real quick. We'll be back when it's finished loading. Alright, we have finished loading, and it should pop up with a little Fabric Loader 1.20.6 in the bottom corner, and you just go ahead and hit play. It's literally as simple as that. It'll work. If it doesn't work, you're going to have to go to installations and just create a new installation with the fabric installer. Sometimes it doesn't work. That's normally only if you accidentally untick the create profile button while loading the fabric installer. It will look a little bit different if you're using Forge mods, but really that's fine. That's pretty much everything you need to know. Why is there a little button popping up? The game didn't start because the currently installed Intel graphics driver is not compatible. Here we go. So this is an error you might get. Now, if you get an error, the way to fix it is normally to just take out whatever mods you just added in that stopped working. So this sodium mod might not work, so I just chuck it in the bin here. Then I close it off again, and I should be able to launch the game again, and it should just work perfectly fine if I just hit play. We'll be back when it's finished loading. Alright, and I am back. We have finished loading it, and if we just load up a single player world, we'll just really quickly test to see if it works or not. This is currently my little survival series, so I get a little sneak peek into my survival series. If I just, I didn't just cross this off real quick. Here we go. We're loading up Minecraft. Come on, you can do it. You can do it, little computer. I'll be back when it's loaded. Alrighty, and I've loaded up the game here. As you can see, I've got a hacked client loaded with mods, which is awesome, which means I can do physics mod stuff, like when I break this dirt. Watch this. Oh, no. Oh, look at that. There's dirt everywhere. Let's break it again. Oh, this is so satisfying. Man, I love this game. For some reason, there's no item drops when I do this. Is that because I'm not using the right tool? I need to use the right tool. Is that what it is? No, I'm still picking up the dirt. The dirt's breaking a lot faster. I wonder if this happens with a tree. Can I chop the tree down with the physics mod? Let's go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, the tree, it's all gone. Oh, there's splashes in the water. My graphics are set to very low, so this isn't probably super amazing for you guys. Oh, man. Anyway, some of the crazy stuff you can do with mods. What else have we got? Hack client. I should be able to fly and survive. What is this? This setup guide helps you configure your voice chat. Next. What is this? Microphone. Here we go. Choose that. Next. Next. Push talk. What is the talk button? Push to talk and voice activation. Push to talk. Let me bind this to equals sign. There we go. Next. Hold while I'm just having fun with this mod. The tutorial is well and truly over now. You can go if you want. I'm just playing with this mod now. You have successfully configured your voice chat. Open the voice chat menu with V. Hold something equals sign while talking to use the voice chat. There we go. Finish setup. Okay, so now I should... Oh, look at this. Hacked client. I've got a hacked client. I can fall out of the sky and not take any damage. Oh, dear. I've got wrong keybinds. Falling to my death. That's okay, though, because... Hacks. I'm just hacking, bro. Don't mind me over here. Oh, look at this. The wheat dropped all over the ground. There we go. Anyway, this is just a cool little thing you can add to Minecraft. It's going to make your gameplay so much cooler. Anyway, thanks for watching, and let me do a little outro here. Have an excellent day. Let's get a clickbait thumbnail before we go. Got to turn our FOV all the way up here, and we'll just get the moon in the background. Heck yeah, let's get the moon in the background. It's rising. This is the perfect shot. Come on, I feel like I've been waiting my whole life to get this thumbnail. F2, there we go. Then we just go ahead and click this. If this remains in the video, this is going to be a really weird video. Let's see, save it to desktop. Okay, there we go. There we go. I'll end the video there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.